doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I am not completely sure how I want to style this tree. I don't want to go out and buy new things, and I didn't want to go down a rabbit hole on Pinterest because if I have too much inspiration, I just give up. So I looked through everything I already have in my holiday stash, and I remembered I have this beautiful plaid ribbon. It is very Ralph Lauren inspired. I did a Ralph Lauren inspired tree a few years ago, and I love this. So I think we're going to do that again. I have this ribbon. I have some burgundy with this beautiful gold detail edging. I also have some velvet navy blue ribbon, navy blue ornaments, hunter green ornaments, a little bit of gold mixed in. We're going to see what we can come up with because I do not want to go out and buy anything else. I don't want to spend any more money than what I have already spent. So we're just going to freestyle this and hopefully it looks good. I'm sure it will. It's a beautiful tree. The lights quit working when I plugged it in a few weeks ago to test it, so I do need to string some lights on here just to fill in the gaps, but they don't twinkle. That's the one thing, they don't twinkle. I would like to buy some twinkle lights. Once again, I don't want to spend any more money. May try to save up for that for next year to get twinkle lights for all of the trees. I love that glow and that twinkle, but I just don't want to put the money into it right now. So we're going to use what we have and just see how it turns out. So the large lights don't look too bad, and I can change these. Right now, I'm not really sure which one this is. I wish it were the little slow twinkle, but they're not. But we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go ahead and put the ribbon on. Once I get the ribbon on, and then we're gonna add the ornaments. I usually go color by color with the ornaments, put those on. I do have gaps in the tree. I don't think I have any large ornaments because I've already used them all on the other trees, but we're just going to work with what we have, but I'm sure it's still going to turn out beautiful. As I'm putting the ribbon on to keep it in this position, I'm just using the branches to wrap around them, and it just holds them in place a little better. I'm looking at how much ribbon I have and I'm trying to figure out how to put it on here. I think a couple of years ago when I did it this way. I don't remember. I may have to go back and look at that video to be sure, but we'll get there. We'll get there.
Could bring tears to my eyes. Don't get me wrong.
After fidgeting with this ribbon, I don't know how long already and wasting time, I think I'm just going to swag it around the tree and just make it kind of free-flowing, very casual. I think it looked really good on here, and I am just praying we have enough to go around the tree.
There's our mistletoe among all the gifts along the Christmas card. I think of you. Don't.
This reminds me of a scarf. That's exactly what this reminds me of putting a scarf on. Oh, I love the way this is looking so far.
Who have nothing.
I don't remember where I bought this ribbon from because I don't know if we're going to have enough. I'm thinking Michael's. I'm not sure. I am not sure.
To be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you. Then we will know it's Christmas for every girl and boy.
All right, I just got really inspired because I was going through all of my Christmas bins. Totally forgot that last year I purchased some items that I was going to do a DIY on for one of the trees. Okay, I purchased these plastic trumpets last year, a set of 5. They're pink, red, green, all these different colors, because I wanted to do a tree with musical instruments. And if you go to buy something like that, they're so expensive. So I found these, they're 13-inch, 5 of them in here. Paint them gold. I'm going to paint those gold. And then I remembered I purchased these little guitars. I don't think I am going to spray these. I'm going to see how they look, just the natural wood look of them, but they're so cute. I guess they're like little party favors. Totally forgot about these. And then I had in here just another musical instrument that was actually, I guess, like an ornament. I'm sure I found it at the thrift store. So now I'm really inspired because I thought all I was going to have was ribbon and ornaments on there. But now we do have what I like to call making it look a little bit more layered, adding a little bit more dimension to it instead of just the ribbon and the ornaments. And of course I have all the sprays to put on there. I have all these beautiful gold picks that I put on there. Oh my goodness, I think this is actually going to turn out to be a very beautiful tree. That's the thing with me though, and I've mentioned this in other videos, I get so far ahead of myself that, like I said, I bought this last year. I thought about this last year, forgot about it. So I do have some gold spray paint. So we're going to spray the trumpets. I probably need another can, but I'm going to see how these look.